Now today's question, ABCD is a square and EF midpoints of AB and BC. E is the midpoint of AB and F is midpoint of BC. Area of square ABCD 120 square meter. We have to find the area of this shaded portion. CE connected, DF connected and diagonal BD connected. So the shaded portion, this is BGHF. We have to calculate its value. Now check. Here a very interesting point we have to remember, that is CE connected. So if we draw a line parallel to CE, that will intersect diagonal BD. AI parallel to CE. We know a basic theory. ABI is a triangle, E is a midpoint of AB, and ECE, that means EG parallel to AI. So G is the midpoint of BI. Clear? Again, we can easily prove that I is the midpoint of DG. How? We can easily prove that triangle ADI and triangle BGC is congruent. How? AD equals BC and angle ADB alternate angle DBC, this angle with this angle, and angle AID equals angle EZI, and this is opposite this. So angle I equals angle G. So these two are congruent. So DI equals BG. As we have already proved that GI equal BG, and just now we discussed BG equals DI. So these three parts are equal. What is the matter of this? If we can draw a line with this, then we will find three equal triangle. Equal means area of same. BGC, GIC, DIC. All three have same base and they have same height, and their base is equal. So these three triangles are equal. So triangle BGC 1/3 of this triangle BCD. Clear? So this as ABCD is 120 square meter. So triangle BCD half of 120, that means triangle BCD equals 60. Okay, and these three parts equal in case of area. So BGC equals 20. Triangle BGC 20. I think it's okay. So this is the vital point. So if we want to calculate this area, we have to calculate the area of this triangle. Clear? Then area of the shaded portion equals area of triangle BGC, that means 20. If we can find this area, then this can be calculated very easily. So how we can solve? Find the area of triangle HFC. Check triangle EBC and triangle FHC similar. How? You can easily prove it. check two triangles BEC and DFC. FC half of BC, BE half of AB. That means BE equal FC. I have taken the value of FC equal x and BC equals 2x. So triangle BFC congruent with triangle BEC as BC equals BC, BE equals BE equals FC, and angle EBC 90 degree, angle DCF 90 degree. So these two triangles are congruent. So angle HFC equal angle BEC. So you can easily say this equals this. Okay. Now come triangle BEC and FCS. Both are similar. How? BEC, this is equal with HFC, and this angle is common with both triangle. If two triangles are similar, then the third angle must be equal. Okay, so HFC, FCH and BEC similar. As per theory of similarity, we can say the opposite sides are proportional. Clear? So BE divided by HF, EC equal divided by FC, and BC divided by HCH by AC. Okay, this is the properties of similarity. Now we have let already DC equals 2x, so FC equals x. Put the value of x, 2x, BE x, HF we have to calculate, EC. Since triangle BEC is a right angle triangle, clear, BCE, this is x and this is 2x. So as per Pythagorean theorem, the value of CE comes x square plus 2x square under root, that means root 5x. This is very similar to the students, so they can easily calculate this. So EC, value of EC comes under root 5x, and BC 2x, we have to calculate HC. From there come here HF, both sides divided by x, then the simple value of HF comes. Students, try to understand these 2 points. Clear? Now the area of HFC, half base and height, that means HF, this is, if this is base, then this is height, and if this is base, then this is height. So the simple calculation, area of this x square by 5. Now if this is 2x, then the area of the square is 2x x square, that means 4x square. 4x square equals 120, so x square equals 30. Clear? So x square by 5, area of HFC x square by 5, that means 30 by 5. Okay, 6. Now come this point BGC 20, and just now we have got the value of HFC triangle 6. So what is the area of the shaded portion? 20 minus 6, 40. Clear? This is the total idea, but a student, if can imagine this theory, related theories, This problem can be solved in few seconds, but to explain the problem sometimes takes some long time. Okay.